Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, June 6th. At 10:30 AM, we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs. And at 7:30 PM, we have medium impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. We don't have any high impact news plan for other major currency pairs. So we can expect low volatility in gold today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the current price action in daily time frame, currently it is trading within a bullish channel pattern and a bullish trend. And previously it has tested the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and currently we are noticing the price action to fall on a bearish side retracement. And if the bearish side retracement continues, we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line or the support line. And I've already mentioned that this level between 1958 to 1940 is acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action, because this is a 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement level, and only when the price action breaks this support level we can expect it to take support on the 61% of the Fibonacci's retracement level. These are all very strong support level where we can expect the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. And when we look at the current trend of the price action in daily time frame, it is still trading below this trend line or the resistance line, which confirms that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. And also we can notice that the price action has taken support on this support level of 1940 and trying to make a double bottom pattern. Once the price action breaks the previous high or the resistance level of 1987, we can expect it to bounce back on the bullish side retrace, which will also confirm the formation of the double bottom pattern, which is the trend reversal pattern. In order to get the confirmation on the trend reversal on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1987. And if this support level of 1940 is breached, we can expect it to take support on the previous support level of 1980. And once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1863, which is the 78% of the Fibonacci's retracement level. So although the price action is on a bearish trend, since the price action is still trading within a bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side bounce back at any time as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and from the higher time frame we know that these are all the very strong resistance and support level. And currently when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is trading within this resistance level of 1987 and support level of 1939 on a sideways momentum. This level of 1939 is currently acting as a very strong support. Once the price action gives a breakout from this support level, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame, and we can expect it to take support on the daily time frame trend line or the support line. And only when the price action gives a breakout from this daily time frame support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action gives a breakout from this resistance line of the daily time frame, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame also. And next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1987. So for the 4 hours time frame, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a directional breakout from this rectangle pattern consolidation. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, we can notice that clearly it is trading between the support level of 1939 and the resistance level of 1987 on a sideways price action in hourly time frame also. I've also drawn the resistance line or a trend line for the hourly time frame, where we can notice a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. But again, we have a very strong trend line or a support line from the hourly time frame. So only when the price action breaks this trend line or the support line, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side retracement and to test the daily time frame support line. And on the bullish side, once the price action breaks this resistance line of the hourly time frame, we can expect it to retest on the previous resistance line from the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement. So if you want to take a directional trade, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to decide on a directional trade. You can be scalping within this rectangle pattern consolidation in the lower time frame, but since the trading ranges are very narrow, the risk of getting your stop losses hit will be very high. So there is no clear direction in hourly time frame also. It is now consolidating within this resistance and support line from the hourly time frame, and currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1960 and support level of 1953. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1953 on the bearish side, the next level of support is going to be around 1954, 1939, 1933, 1924, 1908 and 1900. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the current resistance level of 1966, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1974 and 1986. And once the price action gives a breakout from this resistance level of 1986, it will be also giving breakout from this rectangle pattern consolidation, where we can expect a bullish side retracement to start in hourly time frame also. Please refer the daily time frame resistance levels on the bullish side targets. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I mean 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that the price action has bounced back from this resistance line from the daily time frame, and it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement. After making a double bottom pattern, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and currently it is trying to break this resistance line of the hourly time frame. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line, we can expect a bearish side retracement to start and to retest on the previous trend line or the support line. So overall, the price action in 30 minutes time frame is consolidating within this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support line from the hourly time frame on a sideways price action. And the current support on the bearish side is around the level of 1960. Once the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1955, 1949 and 1938. And if the price action manages to break this resistance line of the hourly time frame, next level of resistance is going to be around 1966, 1973, 1983 and 1996. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.